If you trade stocks on Webull, using a stop loss and take profit is essential risk management. Here's how to set both in under 2 minutes. So firstly, open your position. So open the Webull app and tap Assets, then Positions. And then tap the stock you already bought. Then you can also open the Close or Trade menu. Tap Sell to open the order screen. This doesn't sell immediately, it just opens order settings. And then you just change the order type to stop or stop limit. On the screenshot, as you can see, we have the stop price right over here. Enter the price where you want Webull to automatically sell if the stock falls. This protects from large losses. Okay, now the take profit. You can now set a limit sell order above your buy price. So this is the setting, take profit order. Select the estimated and then choose limit price. This automatically sells your shares when the price reaches your target profit. And then you can also use the OCO order. It's the best method. So the easiest way is using OCO, which is one cancels other. So enter your stop loss price and your take profit price. When one triggers, the other automatically cancels. And something that's good to know, orders only execute during market hours unless extended hours is enabled. And that's how you set the stop loss and take profit on Webull and manage risk automatically. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.